Thanks for coming back to the channel, folks. It's Robert and Lori.
Hello again.
They have the Dragon Train Sunshots here. So we have $20 in the machine. We're going to play penny bets. I just want to take a minute. Look at how pretty these symbols are. Just the graphics on these games are just incredible now. And this train is just outstanding. Look at that dragon train. Okay, so $20 in the machine.
Playing pennies. Minimum bet is 50 cents.
Great. Okay, Rob, let's go.
And here we go. We've never played this game before, so we have no idea.
This is the wire or the bonus symbol right there, right? Okay. Correct. And the guy's face, those are wild, I believe.
We've seen this game played before. We've just never played it ourselves.
Got 2 of 3. It is like a lock link game. You can see the balls flying by. We need 6 of those to land. Again, 3 of those.
Okay.
Come on now, we need 6.
Come on now. Watching for the bonus game. Not hitting much so far.
We hope you guys are having a great day, folks.
Yep. Hope you're having a fantastic day, actually.
Right? Well, that's a little bit.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, got 2 of them. We need 3.
3 of the symbols. Okay. Still watching for that bonus game to come in.
Right, got some ladies there.
I'd like to take the time to thank everybody for following our journey and spending time with us. We do appreciate it. Come on. I'd like to see the bonus symbol pop up.
I would also like to know where you're from. Could you let us know in the comments where in the world you are watching us from? We do enjoy reading that. Come on now, 6.
Come on.
Okay, got 5 of those. For $1, good. 3 more. Come on now. Oh.
Gives you a little bit of hope when you hear them popping like that.
I know, right? At least. Oh, that might be nice. Queens.
It's a little bit. Gives us a little more playtime. Come on, let's see it drop.
Well, I'd say there's a little bit of back and forth on this. That's kind of nice.
A little bit. Like to see the bonus game kick in.
Yeah, see more of the bonus symbols. Oh,
that's what we want too.
That is what we want. Yes.
Come on. Oh man.
Really?
Right there.
I'm sad. I'm saddened by that. That could have been nice. Come on now.
Getting down there on our credits now, so.
Yeah, I do know these are brand new machines in here at least. Oh.
Okay.
Please just bang it out.
Okay. Still looking for that bonus.
5.
5? Last
Holy
spin.
moly. There was the other
Okay,
one
folks.
out there.
We'll try
Let's
the wager
take that.
saver.
Yeah, go for it. Come on. Pink, pink, pink. Oh,
My
really?
goodness. That's unusual. Well, thank you everybody for spending time with us while we spin. This was a new game we'd never played before, so we wanted to try it.
We ask that you like and subscribe if you can.
And we will see you on the next game.
Thanks, folks.